Namaskar, I'm Wing Commander Santosh Sharma, White Order Spirituality, founder, Bangalore, India. So far we have talked about 1 Mukhi Rudraksha, 2 Mukhi Rudraksha and 3 Mukhi Rudraksha. Today I want to talk about 4 Mukhi Rudraksha. We have seen the picture of Brahma, the Lord for the creation. He has 4 faces, and this Rudraksha also has 4 lines and the 4 sits inside. This 4 is like 4 directions of life, 4 dimensions of life. 4 Mukhi Rudraksha is basically for the Brahma, represents the energy called Brahma. Brahma is creation. Now, if you wear 4 Mukhi Rudraksha, you will be able to create more. You will be able to memorize things, intelligence, creativity. Many people give this Rudraksha to children, to a student, so that they will study well. But from my experience and my research, I have found out that 4 Mukhi Rudraksha may give you intelligence, may give you buddhi, may give you creativity, but it is never recognized. You never attain name and fame in spite of having knowledge. If you are one of the persons, those who have a lot of knowledge, intelligence, academically very sound, but no recognition. Nobody respects you. You don't get promotions if you are a scientist, if you are a research scholar, your research works and your discoveries and innovations are not recognized by the people. You are not respected in the society. Why? It is because, as you know, that Lord Brahma is never worshipped anywhere. In the whole world, Brahma, only one temple is there in Pushkar, Rajasthan, in India. There is no other temple anywhere available. Means what? Forgotten. Not respected. Nobody remembers. People remember to Vishnu, they remember to Maheshwar, Mahadev, Durga, Kali, Saraswati, Ganesh, etc. But nobody remembers Brahma. So if you wear 4 Mukhi Rudraksha, you may attain intelligence, you may attain buddhi, creativity, but that will not be recognized. Many people, if the Mercury, the Buddha Graha is debilitated, Buddha Graha is not good in their chart, then they wear 4 Mukhi Rudraksha. I disagree. I say 4 Mukhi Rudraksha is not for Mercury. For the Mercury, 15 Mukhi Rudraksha, 1-5. 15 Mukhi Rudraksha, detailed discussion we'll have when the time comes. So 4 Mukhi Rudraksha should not be confused with Mercury. It is for the Brahma, for knowledge, creativity, but no recognition. 15 Mukhi Rudraksha, knowledge, creativity, but with recognition. That is the difference. How many beads you are supposed to wear for Mukhi Rudraksha? One bead is enough, as I say. If you are wearing on the hand, wear it on the right hand, because 4 is an even number. Don't wear on the left hand, it will reduce the creativity. If you are wearing over the heart, you can wear it over the chest, over the heart area. It will work fine with you. Indonesia Rudraksha or Nepal Rudraksha does not matter. Size really does not matter. To some extent, yes, but not that much. So depending on the availability and your financial status, you can wear 4 Mukhi Rudraksha. But I would say, if you are wearing it for the Buddha Graha, for Mercury, no, don't do that. Wear 15 Mukhi Rudraksha. Next video we will be talking about 5 Mukhi Rudraksha. If you have any question related to the Rudraksha or gemstones or astrology, do contact me. Write down your comment down below. If you have questions, I will try to make a video. If you want to consult me, if you have any issues, problems in life, you want to consult me, my numbers are given down there. Please visit my website. Details are down again. And go through the contents which in the website. Look at the videos and educate yourself. Have more knowledge, more understanding, more peace, tranquility and success in life. Namaskar, Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.